pagkakataong ito, hindi ang bato ang hinahanap ni Ding, kundi sino nga ba talaga ang bading? This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching The Kitty Show. Tarayan na talakihan ng Showbiz Edition. Siyempre, hindi po kami ang mga bading na hinahanap ni Ding. Kasi hindi po naman kami bading ni Alex Brosas.
What are we?
We are fairies. Diwata.
Ayoko! Ayoko ng diwata! My God!
Hindi mo ma-take? Hindi mo talaga siya take?
Ayoko ng diwata.
Well, anyhow, there is this young gentleman who is in the middle of a tempest because there are rumors or talks specifying that he is part of the LGBTQ plus QIA XYZ ad hominem to the infinity, na ang nakakaloka pa, ang involved na person ay ang matinee idolish at heart rubbish na si Brent Manalo ay pinagngungusuang bakla. At sinasabi, di umano, ito ay may mga karelasyon. At ang karelasyon nito ay, una, papangalanan ko ba, Mare?
I don't know. Aray ko.
Basta ang una, kapwa niya rin lalaki.
Kaloka.
At gamitin nyo na lang po inyong mga fingers sa pagsasaliksik na malaman nyo kung kanino pilit ay dinidikit ang pangalan ni Brent Manalo. At pangalawa, meron pa rin lang isa. Ang clue naman dito ay ito raw pangalawang mangingibig ni Brent Manalo ay isang member ng P-pop band. Ang pinakamagandang pangyayari rito, ang kanyang mami Elica, am I correct?
Maria Elica Manalo.
Ang kanyang mami Maria Elica Manalo come to his defense. Ano sabi ni mami? Alam ko sinulat mo siya.
Oo nga, tawag dito. Kasi English total English. So hindi ko hindi ko
Basta ang bottom
memoryado.
line?
Ang bottom line is parang it was a defamation to
Okay.
to her son.
To her son.
Oo, kasi it was it was baseless, it was paninirang puri, 'di ba? Talagang yung ano na sa kanya. Hindi niya ma-take na her son will be destroyed, will be ruined.
By such a rumor.
By such a rumor.
The rumor that his son is gay and is in a relationship with another
Guy.
With another guy.
Mm-mm.
Hindi niya ma-take?
Oo.
Ano yung tone nung kanyang post?
Alam mo coming from from an OFW, because I knew na OFW yung parents ni ni Brent Manalo. In perfect English ang ang
Post.
pagkakasulat ng post, ang message. 'Di ba? And tawag dito, it is respectful, it is straight, it is full of love para sa kanyang anak.
May pagbabanta ba ng magdedemanda from the tone of the letter of the post?
Yun sa latter part. Yung
Okay.
parang sinabi niya na na parang tawag dito, what you're doing is defamation.
Okay.
Pero dangling on the on the cases whichever she or Brent will file. Di ba
Okay.
parang ganun? Parang she was just warning people na
Stop this.
na kayo.
Stop spreading lies.
Oo.
Okay.
Alam mo, I felt bad for the mother kasi makikita mo yung through her message, makikita mo yung pain that she was going through kasi yung anak niya na na wala namang
Ginagawang masama.
wala namang hindi yan si Brent Manalo, in fairness to him
Cum laude of Lasal.
oo, he wasn't involved in anything in any fracas, in any
Except this.
except this.
This is his biggest fracas.
Oo, ang tawag dito, kasi everything is rumor. Di ba? So,
Pero ang question, kung rumor, saan galing yung mga balita? Sino nagpapakalat? Bakit from the tone of the people na nagpapakalat, parang naniniwala talaga sila to sa kwentong pinupush nila?
I feel that Brent has unwittingly caused friction sa isang tao
Mhm.
na who went against him.
Okay.
May hindi siya,
So, theory mo yan.
oo, may hindi siya may nasaktan siya, may nasagasaan sa in whatever way he did, kung ano yung ginawa niya, na hindi niya alam.
Mm.
So, tawag dito,
Revenge ito.
oo, revenge ito.
Mhm.
Revenge of the Titans ito.
Oh,
So,
okay.
one. Number two, somebody so envious of his success.
Okay.
Kasi, di ba,
mas valid yung number 2. He's a big star now.
Oh, he's a big star now, coming from Pinoy Big Brother. One of the grand winners siya, di ba? The other one is Mika Salamanca, tapos siya, di ba? So, merong kasi in showbiz may positioning na tinatawag. So, ito, nakaamba na siya sa pataas eh. So,
Yeah, may mga
tao din na, may mga tao, mga handlers, o may mga din na, kailangan maano ka. We have to tear you down.
Kaya matibag ka.
Oo, matibag ka kasi you were you were a rival of somebody, 'di ba? Parang gano'n
Okay.
o parang
Question, Mare. At this point in time, sa karera niya, is it wise or is it suicide? Just so in case he admits that, yes, I'm gay.
It's a suicide.
Suicide because?
Suicide because in the history of Philippine movies or Philippine cinema,
Mhm.
wala namang except for Vice Ganda na openly gay.
Okay.
'Di ba? For a budding career,
Mhm.
tapos aaminin mo hindi it will not favor you.
Oh.
Oo.
But people will argue na this is already 2026. Why can't he come out if he wants to?
It doesn't matter if it's 2026 or 2036 or 2066 or 2096.
Okay. Feel mo it will never change? Ganun lagi?
It will never change. Ano ba? When Charis Pempenko.
Oh, well, let's not even talk about that person. Because
diba?
the topic is Brent. Don't you think Brent might be the one who will change the landscape?
No, he will not.
Talaga?
Nobody will. Tawag dito, in the first place, siguro mali ang nilang perception nila about Brent. Siguro they were just maligning him because he is a threat to somebody. Di ba? Pero ang assessment ko kay Brent, masyado siyang mabait. Kaya siya inaabuso.
But in this day and age kasi, being called gay is no longer derogatory.
Ano na?
Hindi na siya derogatory. Tanggap na ng mga taong kabaklaan.
It might not be derogatory, but career-wise,
It's a poison still.
it's
It's still a poison. That's what you're saying.
it's like a knife that will cut you.
For somebody
Ganun.
like Brent.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi ang positioning ni Brent
Pa-heartthrob.
Manalo, somebody you will bring to mama, somebody you will 'di ba parang walang red flag na na guy, yung ganon. And somebody, ang feeling ko diyan, somebody's destroying Brent. Somebody's inggit
Okay.
pikit.
Question number 3. What if yung mga people na kinasabing linkage ni Brent maglabas ng resibo?
The
The other parties.
yung
The other parties.
nalilink
Oo,
sa kanya.
yun nga, biglang naglabas ng resibo. Kasi if you would look in Twitter, may nagsasabing pareho sila ng watch. Meron silang mga anong binibilog-bilugan na gano'n na pareho si Brent at yung other person. What if the other person, sira pala ulo, gusto rin ng clout, gusto rin ng fame, gusto rin mapag-usapan, maglabas ng mga resibo? If that happens, what will happen to Brent?
I think Brent can always go to court. Kasi klaro yung klaro yung motive to destroy him.
To destroy him?
Oo. Ang parang lumalabas is hell hath no fury
A
like
Becky's
a gay,
scorned.
Becky's
Becky's
scorned.
scorned.
Oo, 'di ba? Parang gano'n ang nangyayari.
Paano ko ang argument sa bakla? Gusto ko lang naman i-share yung happy memories namin.
Ay, it it will always be your motivation.
Yun nga ang
Ayun,
motivation
no,
niya nga.
that is not a motivation.
Hindi yan?
No, hindi yun ang motivation. It was clear from the very start that you are out to destroy
To spite.
him. Oo, to spite him, di ba? Kasi, lalabas na, bakit nung hindi pa masyadong sikat, wala pang pangalan,
Oo.
hindi pa nananalo, hindi mo in-out na.
Bakit
hindi mo
ngayon
in-out,
lang?
ba't ngayon lang?
Ang dami,
The
bakit
timing is suspicious. Ano ka ba?
Ah.
It all
Parang-
boils down to that.
Paano ngayon lang napagtantong, ay, gusto ko siyang i-share.
Ano na?
Ngayon lang napagtanto nung kung sino man, this is the right moment to share it.
Baliw siya.
Oh,
Di ba?
Kabaliw
Oo.
mo ng magmahal?
Hindi. Kabaliwan na magmahal and stay on love na ayaw naman sa'yo na. Ano ka ba? When it's done, it's done. Diyos ko, why cry over spilled milk?
Parang
Hello?
hindi siya nagka-cry over spilled. But,
Ano?
hypothetical nga ba?
Kaya nga the way you, parang ganun ang ano niya
Ganun
You
ba
were
lang-
giving reasons to
Yun ang susunod niyang
Oo, di ba?
Well, wala akong magagawa dyan. Basta ako, Brett Manalo, the truth is on your side. You know yourself better. You know yourself best. If you want to come up with a treatment,
You'll be open to air it.
di ba, will be open to air it at karapatan mo namang magsalita. Pero kung gusto mong piliin ang manahimik, we will respect you the more. And on that note, this is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Miss Mika Maring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
You're watching the Kitty Show, Tariana Talakayan Showbiz Edition.